Good morning, dear children. On the occasion of 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, I would like to share a few words with you all. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, also known as Mahatma Gandhi, was a great political and a spiritual leader of India. He was also the hero of India's freedom struggle. As you all know, he was born on the 2nd of October 1869 in Gujarat. As a child, in his childhood, Mahatma Gandhi led a very simple life. And this we can say by quoting an example whereby Mahatma Gandhi, during his younger days, used to go around in his village and tell the people of his village to use hand spun cloth. And he told everyone to have a hand spun at home. What did he want to do with this? Well, he wanted to eradicate poverty in his village. Mahatma Gandhi also ended the untouchability which was prevalent during the Britishers' era. He told the upper caste people, the injustice the Britishers are doing to you, you are in turn doing to the downtrodden. And he gave this downtrodden the name Harijans, children of God. Children, he did not just say these words. He demonstrated. He went and lived in the Harijan bastis. He ate with them, he cleaned their toilets, and he showed to everybody that all are equal. In this way, Mahatma Gandhi demonstrated and also ended untouchability. Today, I would like to share with you all a small story from Mahatma Gandhi's life and a small episode. Once Mahatma Gandhi, while he was going around the villages, spreading the message of freedom, a little boy in the village was waiting to see Mahatma. And he thought, this great leader, who is the leader of the millions of people in India, how would he look? And he was looking forward to seeing a handsome, a robust person in suit and boot. But when Mahatma Gandhi arrived, this is how he looked. You can see in this picture. This is how Mahatma Gandhi looked. And this little boy was perturbed. He was surprised. He was shocked to see this Mahatma wearing just the lion cloth. He went up to Mahatma and said, "Why aren't you wearing a shirt?" Then to this Mahatma replied, "I can't afford one. I'm very poor." Then the little boy was moved by this and he told Mahatma, "My mother makes very good shirts and kurtas. I shall ask her to make you one." Then Mahatma told the boy, "How many can your mother make for me?" The boy said, "Well, she can make 2, 3, 4. How many do you want?" Mahatma Gandhi said, "I want 40 crore kurtas or banyans or what you call shirts." 40 crore? The little boy was puzzled. Mahatma said, all over the country, the poor people who are numbering about 40 crore, that is men and women of our country, do not even have a proper kurta to wear. Unless and until all these people have a kurta to wear, I am not going to wear one. This was the simplicity the Mahatma Gandhi showed to the people. And this is how he lived. Dear children, as you all know, Mahatma Gandhi used to have a famous toy you must have seen. I would like to show the toy that Mahatma Gandhi cherished and kept it throughout his life with him. जानते हो ये क्या है? ये 3 महात्मा गांधी के 3 बंदर कहलाते हैं. ये 3 बंदर बुरा मत देखो, बुरा मत सुनो, बुरा मत कहो का संदेश को दर्शाते हैं. कहा जाता है कि एक प्रतिनिधि मंडल चीन से भारत पहुंचा था. मैं ये पहले बता दूं तुमको कि ये खिलौना जो बंदरों का है वो चीनी मिट्टी का बना है. ये चीनी मिट्टी का कैसे बना है, कैसे भारत आ पहुंचा? कहते हैं कि ये प्रतिनिधि मंडल चीन से भारत पहुंचा महात्मा गांधी को मिलने के लिए और उन्होंने उनके देश का ये अनमोल खिलौना महात्मा गांधी को भेंट में दिया. और इसे देखते ही महात्मा गांधी को ये बंदरों का सेट इतना अच्छा लगा कि वो जीवन भर इसे उन्होंने अपने पास रखा. और ये 3 बंदर ना बुरा मत बोलो, बुरा मत कहो, बुरा मत सुनो का सिद्धांतों को दर्शाते हैं. So my appeal, my message to you dear children is, particularly these days when you're exposed to the gadgets, when you're owning so many different types of gadgets, do not see anything bad, do not listen to anything bad, and do not even speak anything bad. So Mahatma Gandhi ji, dear children, do you know where this toy is? I mean, ये 3 बंदर किधर है? बंदर माने not the real monkeys, but ये 3 बंदरों का set जो है वो it is kept in the library, that is Mahatma Gandhi's National Museum, which is, and it is famous. All of you might have seen this toy several times. So dear children, this was the life led by Mahatma, a very simple yet a heroic life. Mahatma Gandhi always told the people of the, people everywhere, not only in our country but everywhere, that I complained I have no shoes until I met a person who had no feet. This was the motto. This was the way Mahatma Gandhi led his life. अंत में dear children, I would like to tell you, बस जीवन में ये याद रखना, सच और मेहनत का हमेशा साथ रखना। बापू तुम्हारे साथ है, हर बच्चे के पास है, सच्चाई जहाँ भी है वहीं पर उनका वास है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ महात्मा गांधी यानी कि गांधी जयंती के शुभकामनाओं के साथ मैं विदा लेना चाहती हूँ। जय हिंद।